obey and keep the word of God. The United States of Biafra is a Christian nation. That is why we do not want to cohabit with reintegrated terrorists brought in by the Nigerian state. They can move to the north as long as Biafra territory is a Christian nation, and that it must be for now. Okay, so the song is this. Okay, catching a camber. I see one I'm getting up again. Okay, catching a camber. I see one I'm getting up again. And where I will be winning now. They say no key when you could that you are. Every mama right now. You got one of his city. Okay, I'm catching a camber. I see one I'm getting up again. Okay, I'm catching a camber. I see one I'm getting up again. And when I will be winning now. They say no every mama right now. You got one of his city. You know this song. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna sing the popular one. That one I know we did the other time. And this like just a regular woman, but I love this song. Kind of refreshing to be so because you guys to Biafra as we proceed. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you to all the donors. Sister Naja, I know you have anything there.
Yeah, just I have an announcement to make. One is
thank you, Sister Naja. Oh my goodness, we're already in here.
That's spiritual. My God,
I wanted you to share today with that prayer. The Spirit of God, the Spirit of Biafra was dealing with some people today.
Yes.
Where the Spirit of Biafra appeared. They started to shake. They started to say they can never believe what is going on.
Give me one.
The Prime Minister have always said that they cannot fight this Biafra.
Please check your message, but someone say.
Okay.
Well, we never know.
Okay, where is this? I don't know whether it's today or
Yesterday.
was it yesterday? This so-called Lasuba was busy misinforming people about the president. All of a sudden, something remarkable happened. And that remarkable thing is not for her. That's why we are going to play that video right now. It's not for her. It is for the Biafra people. It is for us to know that the spirit of Biafra
is at work.
Alive. The spirit of Biafra. Okay. Biafra.
Yeah, I sent it on this phone now. Now this is not. Listen.
Research again about.
All right, so the spirit of Biafra is alive. The spirit of Biafra cannot be killed.
At all. And I'm not.
See about the ID card?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. And the ID card, yeah, in front of
Okay, Honorable Christopher.
After we talk about that. So now we are going to watch this video. And again, like I said, it is not about for the person who witnessed who was dealt with the power of God, with the Biafran power, with the Biafran spirit. It is about the message that is being sent to her and her cohorts and people like her that are trying to use Dr. Robese to catch crews or use my name to deceive other people. So what happened in this video we're going to watch right now, you are going to see we are suddenly, I don't know how many of you here have watched it, suddenly the spirit of Alende Moore, where that was you Alende Moore just from nowhere, where we don't have that visited the spirit of Biafra that says, woman, stop your evil way. Stop disturbing people. Stop what you are doing. So the spirit appeared and warned her. So I want everyone to pay attention. While this woman was speaking, what the spirit of Biafra did to her and around her and appeared. And how she started to panic. When that spirit of millions of Biafrans have been murdered over the years, and are still being murdered today by Tinubu and Christopher Musa, how that spirit has warned her and she will get the consequences. And then
That's a good one.
The comment section, you know, as I'm a teacher. Hey, let me see who you are, what a tickle. Origin program no one make a see with the program. Woman can make a see no one go to my base with the reason why it will tell us I want it by job. Because it's not.
Please listen, just watch.
When I see no other, still as no other. I don't see no. We got to know response to people in America because there is a confession here. In America, comment section, people in America, many people who I thought many people who. All right. That's the spirits. Christopher, can you go back a little bit now? I want to ask him that to pay attention before this time. I don't to do. We got to know the response to people in America because there is a confession here. See that? Section. It's something like that. Yes, she said it. All even to ask him that now. Yes, she said it. That it's because of Simon. I won't even like to when they will give it to Rose say, Nane Kachimi say, Nangozi or la Beth, what is this? Oh, now she's scared. She don't know. where's the thing coming from? Okay, Honorable Christopher, again, I want you to show just that portion where those shadows appeared, and I want everyone to observe something like a hand inside that shadow. When this woman becomes submerged inside that shadow, she became scared. And at the point where she was calling because of her existence. Honorable Christopher, please can you repeat just that area? Where before this, before shadow.
Returns to people in America because that is a confession.
Go back again.
Yeah, on the left side.
Go back a little bit. Okay. Okay, that's up there.
We got to know report.
First, go back and pause it.
Yes, right there.
Okay, go back and pause it. Because I was trying to, for those that do not understand,
The bonds to people in America.
you can pause it. For those that
on the left.
yeah,
Yes, on the left. Black.
yeah. For those that do not understand English, so this woman was on social media castigating my name, saying some nonsense that never happened. But what happened here is while she was asking her, the people that worked her, some people to help her to answer the question whether Mr. Toro President, did you ever hear when we say this guy said that did they hear when Chimese said that it was the Toro President that contributed to what problem, something that nonsense effect. But I think two people already told her no, that they didn't hear anything like that. But she was not convinced. So the thing I want you all to know, regardless of the facts, regardless of the truth you say, regardless of the realities of God, these criminals like this and her courts, they can never ever see anything good in the full restoration and protection of Biafra. These are people that want this restoration for us to do it like the next 5 years. These are part of the people that were saying before, instead of Simon Enter to bring freedom to Biafra, let Biafra not come. These women are courts are part of those that are saying the same thing now. Instead of United States of Biafra freedom to come from the Corporation, by the cabinet, by the 46, by the liaison heads, by the mission head, instead of that to come, by the elite spot, let Biafra not come. It's better for her and her courts to wait until the Biafra comes out, and then declare another Biafra, or our Prime Minister comes out, and then declare another Biafra. You can also hear some of these non-entities saying things like, the Prime Minister told us not to declare Biafra, that was what. So these are agents of the
Yes, I did, yes, of course.
do we want them to make sure that is not what we are doing? So again, in the midst of these lies and propaganda and the misinformation, as she was carrying on, the reason why this is, I have to show this is just it happened on social media while she was doing her propaganda and her lies. And I know God wanted the world to see the criminality of see that, but she was here. Until that shit was all here.
When I see no other, I don't see no. We got to know response to people in America because they are easy confession.
Yes. Yeah, you can see. I shine like I'm in the background.
Yes. At the left hand side.
Yes, she said it. But when you tell you, I feel that now, yes, she said it, that it's because of Simon. I only read that when I look at Victor. Rose say, that they actually say, Nangozi or the ex, what it is.
And she's asking what it is.
What is it?
She's saying it. She offered it.
Oh, let me understand.
But I didn't
I'm out for something. Let me understand. What is this? You let me ask.
no problem. Shut up. But I didn't
Let me understand. And I'm not for me before. Why?
And the thing came and left. After some time.
Why? Who is not for?
It's shocked.
Let me understand. Who is not for? I don't know one for the bishop.